How does blogging help SEO for doctors and dentists? Well, let's talk about what is blogging. Blogging is the act of writing content, whether that be text, images, videos, or a combination of that, to educate your patients or prospective customers. So let's say you want to know, how much do dental implants cost? There's a blog answering that. Or you might want to know, what makes a great cosmetic surgeon? There's a blog answering that. Maybe you want to know, what's the best teeth whitening out there? There's a blog answering that. So the value of blogging is that, actually, according to a statistic, you can drive up to 55% more website visitors to your website by business blogging. And the value of it becomes that you're seen as an expert in the field that you specialize in. So by blogging, again, you're able to be seen as the expert, whether you're doing dental implants, whether you're a cosmetic surgeon, or any kind of doctor, that will increase your chance of getting a prospective patient to your website and giving you a call. So let's talk about 3 specific ways you can leverage blogging as a doctor and dentist to increase your website visitors and thus your prospects and eventually new patients. So 1, you have the opportunity to answer specific questions that patients might have. So what you can specifically do is ask yourself, what are the 5 most common questions that we get asked here at our office or at our practice? It might have to do with, how do dental implants work? It might have to do with, what exactly is laser dentistry? It might have to do with so many other things, but only you know that for your practice. So by taking those 5 questions and answering it, you're increasing the likelihood that when a prospective patient is online searching for their question to be answered, they can find your website and see that their question has been answered by you, and hopefully pick up the phone and make an appointment or request an online appointment to come into your office. Second, how you can leverage blogging for your SEO is you want to make sure your blog is optimized. What do I mean by that? Well, to put it as simply as I can, you want to make sure that search engines are able to tag and label your blog so it can be found by people who are looking for it. So I'm going to get into specifics of, writing the right keywords, using the right URLs, the correct alt tags for images you use. These are very specific details I'm talking about, but at the core of what I'm saying is, if you have someone writing your blogs, whether that's a marketing company or your staff, you want to make sure that they're optimizing it for 2 things. The keywords that you want to be found for, and secondly, the geographic areas that you're servicing. You want to make sure that when people are searching for those questions in your area, they are finding you and your blog. Thirdly, you want to share your blog and your blog post with as many people as possible. We all know that the more quality traffic a website gets, Google starts to pay attention and they will start moving you up in rankings, right? Because they see that people are finding it valuable. Well, the biggest mistake that I've seen with doctors and dentists when it comes to blogging is that they might write a blog every now and then and it's consistently, but they don't get it out there. They just wait for people to kind of find the blog. And so what I'm suggesting to you is, on social media, make sure that you're posting your blog, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, Google+, put a link back to the blog. If you've got emails for your patients, your clients, make sure that they're being educated with this new post that you put, and put a link on it that they can go and actually read the blog post. All of this will actually drive traffic to your blog post, which will over time increase your search engine rankings because of that. So again, blogging and business blogging and blogging for doctors and dentists is huge. you're actually being thanked by the patients because you're educating them, you're giving them information they want. So this is one of the best ways and the most consistent ways that you can drive quality traffic to your website and increase the chances of your success.